Being a content creator is the new rock and roll. It's the modern-day dream job that everyone aspires to. It's cool, it's fun, and it can take you places you never imagined. From exotic locations to exclusive events, the opportunities are endless. You get to share your passions with the world and connect with people who dig what you're doing. It's about building a community around what you love. Plus, you can make a living doing something you love. How awesome is that? Imagine turning your hobby into a full-time career. Remember when we were kids, we all wanted to be astronauts or movie stars? Those dreams seemed so far-fetched back then. Now, being a YouTuber, podcaster, or Instagram influencer is the dream. It's a new kind of stardom that's more accessible than ever. And the best part is, it's achievable. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have a huge budget to get started. You don't need a fancy studio or $1 million to start. Just a bit of creativity and the willingness to learn. Just passion, a phone, and a story to tell. Your unique perspective is what makes your content special. Think about what gets you fired up. What are you passionate about? What do you love talking about for hours? Video games, cooking, making people laugh. That's your starting point. Your passion is your greatest asset. Find your thing and run with it. Experiment, explore, and don't be afraid to try new things. It's not always easy though. There will be late nights, creative blocks, and moments of doubt. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But every bit of effort you put in brings you closer to your dream. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. The joy of hitting milestones, receiving positive feedback, and knowing you've made a difference is unparalleled. The feeling of building something from scratch, seeing your audience grow, and making a real impact, that's priceless. It's a journey of growth, both personal and professional, and it's one of the most fulfilling paths you can take. So you've got this passion, this burning desire to create. It's what gets you up in the morning, what keeps you up at night. Awesome. But who are you creating it for? Who's your audience? Who are the people that will appreciate and engage with your work? This is where finding your niche comes in. It's about discovering that sweet spot where your passions, skills, and your audience's interests intersect. It's like picking a lane on the highway. You don't want to be swerving all over the place. Staying in your lane helps you stay focused and reach your destination faster. Think about it. You wouldn't go to a pizza place for sushi, right? Just like that, your audience comes to you for a specific reason. Same goes for content. People subscribe to channels or follow accounts because they're looking for something specific. They want consistency and reliability in what you offer. Figure out what makes you unique. What sets you apart from the rest? What can you offer that no one else can? What's your angle? Are you the funny one, the tech guru, the makeup artist extraordinaire? Own it. Embrace your unique style and let it shine through in your content. Once you know your niche, you can find your tribe, your people. These are the individuals who share your interests and values. These are the folks who are into the same things you are. They get you, and you get them. They're the ones who will watch your videos, read your posts, and share them with their friends. They become your loyal supporters and advocates. Remember, you don't need to appeal to everyone. Trying to please everyone often leads to pleasing no one. Just focus on connecting with those who resonate with your vibe. Build genuine relationships and create content that speaks to their hearts. All right, you've got your niche, you've found your people. Now it's time to put in the work. Building a successful channel or account takes consistency. It's like working out. You're not going to see results overnight. Set a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's posting a new video every Tuesday or sharing a cool photo every day, be reliable. Your audience needs to know what to expect and when to expect it. I know it can be tough, especially when you're first starting out. You're juggling a million things, and finding the time to create can feel impossible. But trust me, it gets easier. The more you create, the better you'll get. You'll find your flow, develop your style, and the ideas will start flowing. Plus, the more you put yourself out there, the more people will find you. And that's what it's all about, right? Creating awesome content is just the first step. To really build a loyal following, you got to engage with your audience. It's not enough to just throw your stuff out into the void and hope for the best. Think of it like this. You wouldn't go to a party, stand in the corner by yourself and expect people to come up to you, right? You'd mingle, chat, get to know people, respond to comments, answer questions, run polls, do Q&As. Make your audience feel seen and heard. Show them that you're not just some faceless entity behind a screen, but a real person who genuinely cares about what they have to say. Remember, building a community is a two-way street. It's about creating a dialogue, a connection. When people feel like they're part of something, they're more likely to stick around. Section 5, sharing your world. Social media is your friend. You've got this amazing content. You're building an awesome community. Now you need to get the word out. This is where social media comes in. It's like your own personal PR team working for you 24/7. Whether it's Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, or whatever new platform the kids are using these days, find where your audience hangs out and meet them there. Share snippets of your process, behind-the-scenes peeks, teasers for upcoming content. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different formats. Try stories, reels, live streams, whatever tickles your fancy. The key is to stay active and keep your audience engaged. Remember, social media is all about connecting with people. So be yourself, let your personality shine through, and don't be afraid to have some fun with it. Section 6, numbers don't lie, learning from analytics. Okay, so you're creating content, engaging with your audience, and killing it on social media. Now it's time to get a little nerdy and talk about analytics. I know it sounds boring, but trust me on this one. Analytics are your secret weapon. They give you valuable insights into what's working and what's not. Think of it like this. Imagine you're playing a video game without a scorecard. You wouldn't know how well you're doing, right? Analytics are your scorecard. They tell you which videos are getting the most views, which posts are getting the most likes, and who your audience is. Pay attention to these numbers. They can help you refine your content, target your audience better, and ultimately grow your channel or account. It's all about learning and evolving. Section 7, team up, collaborating with others. One of the coolest things about being a content creator is the collaborative spirit. There's this whole community of creators out there, all hustling and grinding, and they're just a DM away. Don't be afraid to reach out to other creators in your niche. Collaborate on a video, do a joint live stream, guest post on each other's blogs. It's a win-win situation. You get to tap into a new audience, and they get to tap into yours. Plus, it's just more fun to work with others. You can bounce ideas off each other, learn from each other's experiences, and support each other's journeys. Remember, the content creation world isn't a zero-sum game. There's room for everyone to succeed, so lift each other up, collaborate, and watch your creativity soar. Section 8, the long game, patience and persistence pay off. Building a successful channel or account takes time. It requires dedication, consistency, and a lot of hard work. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Just like a marathon, it requires endurance, pacing, and the willingness to keep going even when the going gets tough. You're not going to gain 1 million followers overnight, unless you're some kind of viral sensation, in which case, teach me your ways. But for most of us, growth is gradual. There will be times when you're feeling discouraged, when you're putting in the work, but not seeing the results you want. It's easy to feel like giving up. It's normal to feel that way. We've all been there. Every creator has faced moments of doubt and frustration. But here's the thing, every successful creator you see out there, they all started from zero. They all had humble beginnings. They all had to put in the time, the effort, the hustle. They had to learn, adapt, and grow. And they all faced challenges along the way. Obstacles are part of the journey, and overcoming them is what makes the success even sweeter. The key is to stay focused on your goals, stay true to your vision, and never give up. Keep your eyes on the prize and remember why you started. Remember why you started creating in the first place. Reflect on your journey and see how far you've come. Hold on to that passion, that fire in your belly. Let it drive you forward through the highs and the lows until you reach your goals. Section 9. Overcoming challenges, celebrating wins. The content creation journey is a roller coaster ride. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns. You'll face challenges, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt. Maybe your video flops, your engagement drops, or you get hit with a wave of negative comments. It's tough, I get it, but it's important to remember that these challenges are part of the process. Don't let these setbacks define you. Learn from your mistakes, adapt, and keep moving forward. Surround yourself with supportive people, friends, family, fellow creators who believe in you and your vision. And most importantly, celebrate your wins. Every new subscriber, every positive comment, every milestone reached is a reason to celebrate. Acknowledge your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Section 10. Go create. So there you have it, my friends. A glimpse into the wild, wonderful world of content creation. It's a journey filled with challenges and rewards, but most importantly, it's a journey worth taking and embracing. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself, have fun, and create content that you're truly passionate about. The rest will naturally fall into place. Now go out there, create something amazing, and share it proudly with the world. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Peace.